Hello fellows, I'm V. Today we're going to crochet star pattern granny squares with cluster stitch using excess or scrap yarns, 3mm hook, and with the usual crochet tools. For the first round, start with a loop, then single crochet followed by 2 chains. For partial stitch, yarn over, insert hook into the ring, pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops. Repeat once to complete 3 loops, then chain 2. This time crochet 3 partial stitches to complete 4 loops, and always crochet 2 chains in between clusters. Crochet a total of 5 cluster stitches for the first round. To end round 1, chain 3 because we'll use the yarn for round 3. But if you wanted to use another color, pull and cut the yarn. For round 2, grab another color and start with chain 3. Again, crochet 2 partial stitches, complete 3 loops, then chain 2. On the same space, crochet another 3 partial stitches, complete 4 loops and chain 2. Repeat pairs of clusters on the next spaces for a total of 5 pairs or 10 cluster stitches. With the same yarn from round 1, start with a single crochet followed by 2 chains. Then again crochet 2 partial stitches to complete 3 loops. Chain 2, then crochet another cluster stitch on the same space. Just like in round 2, crochet pairs of clusters on the next spaces for a total of 10 pairs or 20 cluster stitches. With another yarn, start round 4 with chain 3. This time crochet 3 partial stitches, a total of 4 loops. again followed by 2 chains in between clusters. On the next space, crochet 4 partial stitches, a total of 5 loops. Repeat process, total of 20 cluster stitches. For round 5, chain 2 followed by 3 single crochets on the first space. On the next space, 2 half double crochets followed by 2 double crochets. For the corners, 3 treble crochets followed by 2 chains, then again 3 treble crochets on the same space. Mirror crochet pattern on the next side with 2 double crochets followed by 2 half double crochets on the same space. Then 4 single crochets each for the next 2 spaces, followed by again 2 half double crochets and 2 double crochets on the same space, then 6 treble crochets and 2 chains in between for the corners. Repeat this pattern to the remaining spaces. Round 6 starts with chain 2, then single crochet each. 3 single crochets on the same space on 4 corners. Again, slip stitch end of round. Round 7, again chain 2, half double crochet each. And for the corners, chain 2 in between 2 half double crochets on the same stitch. Again, close the round with a slip stitch, cut and hide yarn ends. Now we have our star pattern granny squares, and I'll make it into a bag soon, so stay tuned, and thank you for watching.